Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
All right, we'll take a look at the numbers for tomorrow as we get our transition days. Our weather pattern is about to change. Still a cold morning around. Sunshine early will give way to high clouds increasing and then the clouds thickening. And by 7 o'clock, there'll be actually some isolated rain showers in the valley, the western valley, and snow showers in the mountains. But during the day, a bit of a chilly breeze. It'll feel colder because of the lack of sunshine, but temperatures will still get to near 50 during the afternoon. Now, the higher elevations, McCall is at 5,000 feet. All of Long Valley is around that, a little bit below in some locations, but not by much. And you take a look at the forecast here, and this is what my concern is. We've got dry conditions for tomorrow, but on tomorrow night, snow will start to come on in. With the cold air in place, we'll have snow, and snow likely on Thursday itself, 1 or 2 inches of snow. So snow-covered roads, with the temperatures going above freezing, afternoon travel not so bad, but watch out during the mornings, both Thursday morning and Friday morning, and especially Saturday morning. Friday morning, we could have some significant snow on the ground. I've got 1 to 2 and then 2 to 4. That's 3 to 6 inches of snow in Long Valley. And if this storm system Friday stays all snow, we could be talking about at least 6 inches of snow in Long Valley. I have a feeling road conditions could improve in the afternoon, but Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, above 4,500 feet, slick roadways. So you got to be prepared for that winter driving. A few flurries lingering, snow showers that is, on Saturday, and that's when the real cold air comes in. That's when the blues can have a problem. Friday night and Saturday morning, if you headed over the blues of Northeast Oregon, that's when we can have an issue. Now, this is what one computer chart shows through Friday at 2 o'clock. Now, this is the core of the Friday storm. There's a lot more of the storm coming after this as well. But by that point, 2 to 3 inches of snow, maybe 3.5 inches of snow at Cascade. Notice how further south we may even see more snow because a lot of the moisture is targeting southern and central Idaho. The lower elevations may be rain, but Tamarack could actually get more snow than Brundage Mountain out of this, maybe a little bit more, just being a little further south. Either way, both resorts could see a foot of snow out of this Thursday, Friday 1-2 punch. If we go ahead past now, instead of Friday at 2, we go to 10 o'clock Saturday night. You look at some of the numbers here, and if we stay all snow in Long Valley, we're talking 7 to 9 inches of snow. Now, I think there'll be some rain mixed in, but on the flat, that is certainly a possibility of getting some of those heavier snow amounts there. By the way, I wanted to let you know we had an earthquake today, a 4.1 magnitude at 3:39 Mountain Time, even though it was in the western time zone, about 15 miles east-northeast of Grangeville. Had a friend in Riggin, says his house shook for 3 to 5 seconds a lot, knocked some trash cans over as well. Felt it down at Brundage Resort as well. So a pretty good size, good shake there going on in central Idaho today. Winter storm watch is in effect. Banner Summit, Galena Pass, places like this will get a foot of snow between Thursday evening and Friday overnight. Horrible travel conditions. So if you're doing something with the family on Thursday and then you're traveling late in the day to go somewhere for Friday, be careful. If you're going into the higher elevations, you will run into midwinter conditions. Just kind of keep that in mind. Dry conditions now, but to the west, here comes that moisture. All that moisture beginning to track on in. A 1-2 punch coming in for Thursday and Friday. When you look at the widespread swath of snow in the higher elevations, there's a lot of it. Stanley and Sun Valley could get hit very hard with this storm system, while in southern Idaho, this may be a little overdone, maybe close to a ½ inch of rain or 3/4 of an inch or more of rain. Different computer models for Boise printing out different amounts of moisture that's coming on in. We'll scratch that one at the end there. A lot of moisture. This is good news. We certainly need it. The timing is not the best of it because our travel forecast here as we go in for Thursday, here's midday Thursday. The snow in the mountains, the blues, I'm looking at it. There could be some icy conditions in the morning hours. We'll want to watch out for that, especially on Saturday morning. Here's Friday with a chance of some snow in the blues. There are no warnings, but all this purple you see, that's snow in the higher elevations and the heavy rain in the valleys. So traveling is going to be a little bit more difficult while we get a little bit of a break Saturday afternoon. There could be light snow at lower elevations in central Idaho, something else that we have to keep an eye on. All right, here's my exclusive true view of tomorrow's weather today. Sunshine in the morning. Those high clouds start to come in. These lower clouds start to thicken later in the day. Temperatures get close to 50 degrees. Still chilly and dry, but in the evening, a slight chance of a shower coming in. In the mountains now, snow will come in tomorrow evening and tomorrow night in the west central mountains. So watch out. That's when we're going to start to have some issues. But the real storm comes in Thursday night and Friday, targeting the Boise Mountains. Places like Pine and Featherville could get a whopping amount of snow out of this. 8 inches of snow easily. So get ready. A blanket of the white stuff coming in.
We wake up Friday morning, at least up in the high country.
It'll be all covered and continuing to just come on down. So be careful traveling in those higher elevations.
All right, thanks, Scott.